How to log in Citi credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into your Citibank's credit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into Citi credit card, all you have to do is just go to citi.com and then you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is basically on the right hand side, if you look, you'll find user ID and password. But before this, if you have not yet first activated your credit card, you want to make sure to click the activate button right next to this register option here. When you click this activate option that you can find here, it is going to open a pop-up in a new page where you have to simply make sure to first of all enter your credit card details. Click the continue option in order to activate your credit card. Once you've activated your credit card, then you can come back here. You can simply enter the user ID and password. Click the sign on option in order to successfully sign in to your Citibank credit card account. And if you have not yet registered for online banking and login into your credit card, you can click the login option or the register option here as well. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.